Hello and welcome to the littleGasthaus. Spreadable, Mettwurst, salt, pepper and onion. Here we got the two meats we put together. This is pork back. It's a roast I cut in pieces, and this is a pork belly. This has a lot more fat and gives most of the taste of to the meat. And of course we got some spices here. I will give you the recipe in the description. And this is slightly frozen meat. I had it in the refrigerator, actually in the freezer for 3 hours, and to get it cold when I put it in the grinder. Okay, let's do that. We need a bigger container, and that's a lot easier for mixing. I put that meat in there because we're gonna mix the spices in there before, because it's makes more sense to mix it before grinding it, so it get a little bit more compounding to the meat. I mean, we have to mix it afterwards again, so get the right consistency. We add the spices. Put it back in the container. Let's go. Okay, I guess that's it. We have to do some more grinding. We changed the disc, so we take about 1/3 of the meat. I already grind with a 3mm. Oh, a little bit more than that. A bigger mixing bowl. Okay, I guess that's it. If you don't have a 2mm grinder plate, just put it in your food processor and grind it so it gets a very fine consistency. So after all, it's spreadable. Okay, now we're gonna mix both parts. It's a very sticky consistency, and that's what we want. And of course, almost forgot, these are fresh onions fried in the pan. So you got a little color and get more of the flavor out. And we're gonna mix that with the meat. Very easy recipe. And very tasteful result. Okay, let's do some filling. This time I only got 2 of them, but that's okay. We made some spreadable Mettwurst. It has to stay in the refrigerator for 2 days, and then we're going to cut them and see what they look like. First I'm going to cut the sausage to see what it looks like inside, and then I'm going to try some. Let's see what it looks like inside. Very smooth. Freshly ground pepper, a little bit of salt, and onions. Spreadable Mettwurst, salt, pepper, and onion. Guten Appetit. Thanks for watching the littleGasthaus in the German sausage maker, and you have to try it, really. Okay, if you liked it, give me a thumb up or write a comment. See you the next time. Bye-bye.